sparkles made a magical flash. Kids found a seashell big and bright, glowing softly with rainbow light. What's inside? They laughed with cheer. A funny giggle echoed near. The giant shell went creak, slow. Tiny rainbow bubbles started to glow. Out popped a pearl as big as the moon, dancing gently to a happy tune. The pearl spun round with twinkle light, painting rainbows shining bright. Sing-a-bee! Friendly seahorses swam in line, wearing little crowns so fine. Jellyfish floated up and down, wiggling in a glowing gown. Dolphins splashed a rainbow stream, just like in a happy dream. Coral flowers began to sing, every note made seashells ring. Suddenly a crystal bridge appeared, leading where no one had steered. Tiny crabs marched 2 by 2, holding shiny pearls of blue. Yeah! A giant starfish waved hello, making ocean diamonds glow. Then a magical treasure chest came near, opening with a joyful cheer.